Dawson Dental Drops. Kindly look into it. Oral disease, tooth stain, tooth decay, gum weakness and gum bleeding, tooth cavity, gingivitis. Stage 1. Oral disease, tooth stain and yellow tooth. Eating or drinking red wine, coffee, blueberry tea. Stage 2. Oral disease, tooth decay. Tooth decay caused due to be bad bacteria and lack oral hygiene. Stage 3. Oral disease, gum weakness. Stage 4. Oral disease, gum bleeding. Stage 4. Oral disease, tooth cavity. Tooth cavity. Permanently damaged areas in teeth that develop into tiny holes. Stage 5. Oral disease, gingivitis. Gingivitis caused due to smoking or chewing tobacco, genetics. Stage 6. Oral disease, periodontitis. Plaque bacteria is a main reason for all types dental diseases. Plaque bacteria slowly deposits in the teeth and makes the teeth stained or yellow teeth. Plaque bacteria damages gum and makes hole on the teeth, that is cavity. If you neglect to protect your teeth in this stage 2, it will lead to gingivity. Gingivity is the problem which makes the gum weak and gum bleeding. If you untreat gingivitis, it can progress to periodontitis. This is serious and lead to loss of teeth. Exclusion for all types of dental problems. Dawson Dental Drop has 18 herbs. Vidang, alum, triphala, Saintav namikku. Toothpaste budget plus side effects. Same toothpaste budget plus highly effective against bacteria and stain. Since toothpaste has some side effect and only 30% effective against plaque bacteria, please reduce 50% of your toothpaste and use 3 drops of Dawson Dental Drop to become effective one. Please apply directly even 4 or 5 drop of Dawson Dental Drop. If you suffer from unbearable toothpaste gingivitis and periodontitis, Dawson Dental Drop can be used as a mouthwash as well. Please use 3 or 4 drops of Dawson Dental Drops with 10 ml water and gargle it for few minutes for better result. Dawson Dental Drops will save your teeth even till age of 80. Dawson Dental Drops at present available in Flipkart. Very soon it will be available in all e-commerce companies. Dawson Dental Drop. Price is just 39 rupees.